Yeah, the Gentle Barn has 3 locations in America. And what we do is we rescue severely abused and neglected animals that have nowhere else to go because they're so damaged physically and emotionally. We bring them into the Gentle Barn, we rehabilitate their bodies, teach them to trust, show them to love. And once they're restored spiritually and physically, if we can find homes of their own, we do. But most cases need ongoing care for the rest of their lives. And so then we give them sanctuary with us for the rest of their lives. And then when they're ready, we partner with them to show people the intelligence, the affection, the personalities, and the magic of these animals, hopefully illustrating that though we may look different, we are all the same.
Amen.